Jeremy,
Yes, sir.
it's your time.
Hello, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Yeah, you having a good day?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. So, weightlifter.
Yes, sir.
It's lovely to meet you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can you make it?
Yes.
Thank you. Please, can you sign for me?
And you have a... Wow, you're similar. Yeah,
Similar.
similar. I like that. They're beautiful. You have
Thank
them
you,
done
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
You're going to have to tell me the artist.
Yes,
So
sir.
next time I come back, I'll have one.
Okay, sir. And the last one, can you sign for me here too?
Absolutely.
And 1 second. That's the last one again.
How many have you got on under there?
Wearing layers of t-shirts.
I know.
Thank you so
Any
much.
more?
Sir. Yes, sir. Can I, uncle?
Cool.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Jeremy, for this.
Look here. 1 minute. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
It's
sir.
lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Congratulations on the goal.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Amazing.
much, sir. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Bye.